you kidding me? I haven't seen this before. So, everybody, safety seats, okay? Please.
I don't know.
Quack, quack! One more time. Quack, quack! Does that look familiar to you? That's our reflection, everybody. We're clapping at ourselves about that. You and your dog, just you hold the for friendly hotel. This means you can bring your dog to Boston when you come. You should make a reservation. Be sure you get one of the friendly rooms. There's only so many rooms. All you can rooms. We had Gay Pride Month, so everything was about the Gay Pride Month. A lot of I'm good. I'm good. If you want the mic, I'll take it away. I don't want more tours for the rest of the time. So airport, it's flat. If you drive up any street, you're gonna see South Bay. It's flat. So keep your eyes open for landfill projects. The strangest thing you've ever seen in your whole life, but it's so good. Holocaust shows us committed 64, all black, all volunteer regiments in the Civil War. Now they wanted to fight, but they wanted to fight because of their color. What did Robert Bush try to say? It's going. We are now in the water, everybody. Is this kind of exciting? This is exciting. Oh, yeah. Alright, if anyone knows what a dog is, who knows what happened, right? You just touch the river. Bring your phone up and I'll take some pictures. Do you have a phone with you? Have it all ready to go. Okay. Next person. I'm not saying she have to. We're going to do her first and I'll get the So if everybody was looking on your right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brennen.